Hey yo, before this video start, I hope y'all, when y'all woke up today, I hope y'all woke up with the mindset of doing better than you did yesterday. I mean shit, nigga, if you made $50 yesterday, then you need to make 75. Notice I didn't say 100. If you made 50 yesterday, you need to make 75 today. You know what I'm saying? Before this video start, man, I hope y'all are waking up, trying to find ways to come up with extra money, trying to find ways to improve your life, improve yourself. You know what I'm saying? Try to do better than what you did yesterday. I hope that's how y'all niggas waking up today. And if y'all niggas is waking up just to worry about what another nigga doing, if y'all waking up crying over a bitch, if y'all waking up because something ain't going right, then y'all need to go back to sleep and try to do that shit all over again. Let's start this video. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, man! Slow down, squad. When I tell you to slow down, I'ma need you to slow down. Yeah, man. And today, this is gonna be like a couple different kind of videos type shit today. You feel me? Like this is gonna be like some real life shit. There's gonna be some regular shit, and there's gonna be some dog shit, all wrapped up in one. But right now we are doing backyard barbecue. Yes, sir. This how we going. You know what I'm saying? We got the backyard barbecue going on. Your friends, the backyard again. Got the dog guy right there and shit. You heard? Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
You smoke the weed, I gonna get the weed.
I take two drags, and I hit that shit 2 drags, nigga. I'm gonna be flying in the sky, nigga.
You high today, you ain't got no job, and you ain't got shit to do.
Huh, man.
Stimulate your mind, Craig.
There you go, slow down squad. So we about to throw these on the grill. You know what I'm saying? You see what we doing, slow down squad.
Shit make me wanna put the gate out right now.
So you know. To the next scene. You know the motto.
Alright, that's enough for
What up? Listen, if you ever try to holler at me, you want to do any kind of business with me, don't make a comment in the comment section. Everything that you need is in the description box. So listen, you want to holler at me? Cash App in the description box. Instagram in the description box. Facebook, description box. My email, description box. Anytime you want to contact me, go into the description box, and you get all that information. Slow down, squad. Alright, slow down squad. So look, I'm about to show y'all these. I wasn't gonna wear these jumps, you know what I'm saying, but I wore them yesterday. I wasn't gonna wear these jumps, these hair 6s, you know what I'm saying, but I'm gonna throw these bitches on again today. I mean, I'm the type of nigga, like, if you ever heard anything in my song, you heard me say, same fit for like 4 days, not cause I'm broke, cause a nigga trap. I ain't never been cool with shawty, so stop asking that shit a rap, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I bang my shit out for a week straight, nigga. That same outfit for a week straight with a pocket full of money. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Even though I ain't trapping no more, I'm still like, you know, I still do the same shit, dog. My motherfucking mind fucked up, you know what I'm saying? So I'ma show y'all something, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know how y'all think. You know what I'm saying? If y'all feel like I can fuck this fit up with this jump. So I'ma show y'all. These the sneakers right here, so I'm about to show y'all the jacket I'm gonna do with it. Alright, y'all let me know if y'all feel like I can fuck this Fresh Prince jump up with these jumps. Let me know what y'all think. Can I bang this Fresh Prince jump with these? What you think? Can y'all think? What y'all think? Huh? Tell me how you feel. It's like, it ain't really pink, but that shit, like, this is like peach, but it ain't pink, so we ain't got no pink, you know what I'm saying? But you know, I still got the colors, the yellow, the green, the white, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know. You feel me? Let me know what you think I could do. You know what I'm saying? If I bang the Fresh Prince blicky, you know what I'm saying? Throw the joint right there, you know what I'm saying? What y'all think? Let me know what y'all think. Alright, slow down squad. So you know what I'm saying? We got this motherfucker burning and we got some greens and broccoli in here. You did. These lamb chops right here, y'all. This is lamb. Lamb, chicken. Yes, sir. To the next thing. You know the motto.
Hey, what you in here doing?
Dog food.
Dog food? You got the big old pot over there, don't you?
I'm gonna turn this into my bad jacket.
What you got in there?
But I managed to win. I'm a new breed, I'm a OG. Thug life like pop, but the police. I was in DC, no PC. And my unit was 2, nigga, no fees. I done got it out the mud like Cam Gates. I done had 2 phones since 08. Ride old school shorty and I keep it straight. You fell in love with the bitch, you don't pay with chase. I'm in that 35, nigga going 88. 22s on the fuse, hate when they scrape. Nigga sleep with his ratchet, no Stevie J. I mean, I sleep by my ratchet, I don't even pay. What's how real, tell them butt niggas don't hate. You ain't my thug, you ain't my round, you ain't none of the above. Why the fuck the nigga still hold a grudge? Sit me in the streets, he gon' feel these slugs. Rest in peace, D, still free my thug. Bitch think I mean, cause the nigga keep him up. I really buy whatever you say, however you want, however you get home. My mama, I'm about that shit, huh? Trays up for my real niggas. GMG for my real bitches. Mix the lean with the Sprite in it. If you bought it, then you ride with it. I don't feel so deep for the money, can't eat, can't sleep, think about my chain. Wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, grab my burner, I be round with the ratchet. But I managed to win, cause I don't feel so deep for the money, can't eat, can't sleep, think about my chain. Wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, grab my burner, I be round with the ratchet, nigga, I ain't gon' play. Lord, please forgive my sins. Yeah, she was a body hoe. See your ass in love, but she fucking everybody else. Pounds came in, papes used to pick them up. 2 phones, only one you can reach me with. I keep it on me, I don't know who I'm beefing with. Steph Curry with the shot, flicked on the wrist. Big nod in my pocket, make a nigga sick. I hate weed, son, so I'm finna get him hit. All this money, man, the nigga lose his whole clique. Check a nigga if I see you on some hoe shit. Pussy man, the niggas pull a kick, don't quit. But I'm straight till I die, that nigga lay in the sky. Short nigga with a big man complex. 2-piece with a biscuit, nigga, nothing less. Dark nigga with a swag like I'm light skinned. No guns, but I swear I got my pipe in. Bitch, I'm 30 and the nigga still fighting. I told you niggas that I'm really about the light, man. He does it less, so I hit him with the right, man. He does it less, so I hit him with the right, man. So deep for the money, can't eat, can't sleep, think about my chain. Wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, grab my burner. I be round with the ratchet, nigga, I ain't gon' play. Lord, please forgive my sins. All of this karma I get, that real nigga shit. The 40 is spit, I live by the cold, a thugger, but I managed to win. Cause I done fell so deep for the money, can't eat, can't sleep, think about my chain. Wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, grab my burner. I be round with the ratchet, nigga, I ain't gon' play. Lord, please forgive my sins. All of this karma I get, that real nigga shit. The 40 is spit, I'm going 85 on a one-way road with a thing to my head, thinking gon' let it go. Nigga, you should go thank deacons on the real. All the nigga ever said was we gon' let it go. Some street trapping led a nigga to a situation that I never thought it'd be. Plus, I'm a nigga from another fucking city, so they looking at him.